Hey everyone, welcome back to RP Automation, your go-to place for learning everything about automation anywhere, Power Automate Anywhere path. In today's video, we will explore the browser package in Automation Anywhere A360, a powerful tool for automating web-based tasks. As I have already told you, I am going to start uh, automation developer series. So this is our third video. So first package we are going to see browser package for this video. The browser package in Automation Anywhere is used to automate action in a web browser, like opening URL, clicking buttons, extracting data, and more. So it supports browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. And it's essential for any web automation task. So if you want to see live example, so first of all, we need to open our URL. So take open action in the workspace, and here you can choose your browser, in which browser you want to open your URL. So you can choose here our appropriate browser. So commonly, most of the developers selecting Google Chrome, otherwise Edge. So I'm going to select this Google Chrome. So this is very important step to select your browser. Don't uh, don't put as a default browser. So it's going to make a problem for your automation. And this when to open, what to open, in existing tab, in new tab, or in new window. This tab also, this options is also very important. So always select new window, otherwise new tab. So it's better for you, or it's avoiding unnecessarily exceptions, right? And here you just need to give your URL. So I am going to open my here what's DNA website, right? This website, this website. So just you need to uh, copy this URL into that tab. So copy this URL into the link to open section, and you can give timeout also here. So as of now, we can set as a default. And let's see our bot is able to open our URL in the next window or not. So just simple click on run button and observe our bot is able to open our this link in the new window or not. So the browser package is very important when you are going to open or web-based application, or when you are going to automate your task. In that you have to use your application. That time this browser package is very important. So you can see our bot is able to open our this website in the new window. Also you can see here. Click on close, and next step is close is simply close. If you want to close your browser, then simply click on close. Fetch, fetch your browser first, and that browser variable should need to give here. So this is my link. I want to close this tab. Right. So close. So this action, using this action, we can close our browser. So it our bot will able to our bot should be open our first URL, and then should be able to close that window. Right. So bot is able to open our window, but is not getting close. So just check why it is not able to open. So we can give here delay. As of now, I'm going to give here hard-coded delay. Just run. Close our first browser. And now we can observe our bot is able to close or not. Bot is able to open and bot is closed also. So you can see using that delay because our automation execution is doing very fast. That's why I have added here delay. Now you can see our bot is able to close that window also. Now next action is download file. If you want to download any file without clicking download button, just you need to copy paste URL that download link here, and where you want to save that file path you want to give here. So it will able to download automatically back and through. You are not able to see what is clicking on download button and file is downloading anywhere. So that type of action or activity we cannot see because this action is running in the backend through. Right. So if you want to go back, if you have automation like if you want to close window in window like that, you have automation that time. This go back action is very important. So it will give. So that browser we need to provide here, and which step back you want to go. So that step, first step, second step, that step count you must need to give here. Then it will able to go back. Right. So in JavaScript, run JavaScript. If you want to run JavaScript, that time you can use this action here. So here we can we can select our um, uh, script variable here, and otherwise manual input also you can type here also your script. So for Java, if you want to run JavaScript, that for that you can select this action. You can use this action. So then you can able to run your JavaScript. Right. So we have created here sample one, open browser and close browser. We have seen download file action also. We have seen go back action also. So so only these actions available under browser package. Right. So for the best practices here are a few best practices you when using browser package. So always assign a session name to keep action link. So session name is our nothing but your browser variable. And you can see here, I have not added that time delay, so our bot was not able to close this tab. So you must need to add delay or wait action here because for the opening purpose, sometimes some links or tabs taking much time. So for that, we have to use we must need to add their delay or wait action. So avoid hard-coded delays. So as of now, I have added hard-coded, but in the real automation code, you cannot add hard-coded delay, otherwise it will create problem. So you must need to add their wait option and use always use close browser. If you finish your work on the browser, then always use to close tab. So this is for today. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to RP Automation for more Automation Anywhere tutorial. So comment below that what topic you would like to be cover in the next video. I will make it happen. Then hit the bell icon so you can never miss out on any update. And thanks for watching.